Hello, let's see in this video how to use Google Gemini API. It's easy to get started with. First, edit the Node.js project with npm init-y and install @google /genai installed, and you can see it here. Dependencies. Let's install .env for processing the environment variable stored in env file. Let's also create one Node.js file, and its type is module, so we can import the packages, and start script will be node and exec.js. It's very easy. And import the config.env from .env, so we can use the environment variables stored in our env file, like the API key. You can get the API key from Google Studio. Okay, you can come over here to the documentation of ai.google.dev Gemini, and let me just paste it here. You can see here we have imported the Google Gemini, and we have main function where we have response. We have selected the model, the content we want to ask from AI. Let me replace this variable, and we are good to go. Let's check the response of the AI. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to call the Google Gemini API. You can see the response from AI here. AI learns from data to make prediction or decisions. You can play with it, and they have very good documentation for it. You can read the documentation for audio, text, and vision, image generation, and many more. You can give the configuration object, where you can give the system message. You can also change this. You can get this input from user via UI, or you can hard code it here, and we have just hard coded it here because we are not building any UI for it. And we have config object, where we can pass the system message, temperature, and other configuration. For now, we are passing system message here, and this will go in the API call. You're a helpful assistant that answer user based on the user query. You can modify this according to your needs. Okay, I'm changing this. Okay, AI suggested some type of question. Where is the capital of Pakistan or India? Let's start the program with npm run start. The API is called, and we are waiting for the response. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad, which is true. And boom guys, it was very easy. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.